how I got back at my family for calling me a pig at my wedding. At my wedding reception, everything was perfect until my uncle stood up to give a toast. I was excited thinking it'd be heartfelt, but instead he joked, "I guess it's true what they say. Pigs really do find their truffles." The entire table burst into laughter. Then my aunt chimed in, "I hope the catering is enough to keep her happy." I felt my face burn as the jokes kept coming. Apparently, my love for food had turned into the family's entertainment for the night. Even my parents chuckled. I kept my composure, smiled through the speeches, and vowed not to let it ruin my day. But deep down, I planned my revenge. Fast forward 3 months to the family reunion. I volunteered to host, saying I'd handle all the food. They were thrilled, thinking they'd feast on my legendary appetite. When everyone arrived, I served them tiny portions, like microscopic. A single cracker with a dollop of hummus, one meatball cut in half, and a teaspoon of salad. The expressions on their faces were priceless. "Is this it?" my aunt asked, horrified. "Oh," I replied sweetly. "I thought this would be enough. I mean, you guys always say I eat too much, so I scaled back to your size." The room went silent. Then my uncle muttered, "Touché." After that, no one called me a pig again. And the best part, my husband secretly ordered pizza for us to enjoy later. Because revenge may be sweet, but it doesn't fill you up.